There's a motor in a barn somewhere, sitting 30, 40 years just gathering dust and air. His grandfather bought it back in '53. Said, son, one day this thing's gonna run for you and me. Nobody knew back then what time would steal. Nobody knew a stranger's hands wouldn't make it real. We are the keepers. We carry what was left behind. We are the keepers, bringing back what time was trying hard to find. We don't just fix the metal, we restore what grandfathers made. We are the keepers, and we will not let it fade. Attention to detail, every bolt and every seal, every worn out carburetor, telling stories that are real. When that motor makes the trip to Breaux Bridge, Louisiana town, a family of keepers rises up to turn that legacy around. Nobody asked us, brothers, but we heard the calling clear, and we picked up every phone call, every single year. We are the keepers. We carry what was left behind. We are the keepers, bringing back what time was trying hard to find. We don't just fix the metal, we restore what grandfathers made. We are the keepers, and we will not let it fade. Then the video hits the phone, 70 years of silence. Brother, now that motor's home, and somewhere a son is watching. Tears are streaming down his face. Grandfather is running by the grace, by the grace. Glory, save the hobby. We answer every call. Glory, save the hobby. We will not let it fall. We are the keepers. We carry what was left behind. We are the keepers, bringing back what time was trying hard to find. We don't just fix the metal, we restore what grandfathers made. We are the keepers, and we will not let it fade. We are the keepers. We will not let it fade. Save the hobby,
Save the hobby,
save the memories,
save the memories.
save